Yeah, as you all remember, on the 18th of June, we had our first round of this particular program on the Yuva Manch or the Yuva Hours program. And as we said, as the program went through, there were many, many questions that came in from our viewers and those people who are watching this. And today, as we promised that day, we said that we will be doing one more episode only to address all these questions. So I have the list, we have the panelists. So let's get started. Right? Yes. All right, let's go. The first question is an open question to anyone. Any one of the panelists could take this up. This is from Orlando De Souza, and what he says is he's asking: does Goa need constructive development for Goa, for a better Goa? Valencia, you would want to take this? Does Goa need constructive development for a better Goa?
See, right now, development should be need-based, not greed-based. See, today what development is lopsided. Now we see there are several developmental projects proposed by the central government. Every budget talk about infrastructure, health infrastructure, road infrastructure, education infrastructure. In their every line of their budget is infrastructure. But is infrastructure is for who? This is what we need to realize. Today, infrastructure is being built only for certain corporate lobby. For example, in Goa Sagarmala project, double railway line is built for Adani and Jindal Port. So what I'm trying to say is that construction is now lopsided. We need construction on need base. We need proper roads. We need proper 24 hours water supply. We need proper sewage treatment. So these are the construction presently the government should focus on, not rather investing by taking loans. Today the infrastructure like bridges have been built by taking loans, from the international banks, and
Yeah.
we have to pay. So we don't want such kind of infrastructure development which will be a burden to the common citizen or to an every Goan who is living in Goa.
Okay. Because तुझे विचार की दे, does Goa need constructive development for a better Goa? Because you need to unmute.
Yeah.
Yes.
Can you hear me now?
Yes, very.
No. आमकां डेव्हलपमेंट जाय, पण कसलो डेव्हलपमेंट? कन्स्ट्रक्टिव्ह म्हळ्यार कसलो? सस्टेनेबल डेव्हलपमेंट आसपाक जाय. फक्त इमारती बांदल्यो किंवा इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर नांवान हजारांनी पयशांचो घोटाळो करप किंवा सरकारी तिजोरीक मार दिवप असलो डेव्हलपमेंट ना. ऑलेन्सिओन सांगला हितूंक हांव सहमती आसा. साबार अशे प्रोजेक्ट आसात जे आमकां नाका आसात. उदाहरणार्थ जर तुमी पयरूच पळयलो रस्तो केल्लो जो कोलवा सर्कला कडेन वता तो भितर फोड पडलो ताका आनी तातूंत भितर मागीर रस्तोच पाड जालो. हाका जबाबदार कोण? प्रशासन काय तो कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर? असो पद्दतीचो डेव्हलपमेंट जर तुमी पळयत जाल्यार काणकोणाक एक नवीन हायवे जाला जाचें नांव मनोहर हायवे म्हणून दिला. पर्रीकराच्या नांवान तो हायवे म्हणून दिला. तर तो रोड जर तुमी वचून पळयत जर 60 स्पिडीन सुद्दां जर गेले जाल्यार गाडी हालता, पुराय गाडी हालता. तर डेव्हलपमेंट जाय, पूण तो एक डेव्हलपमेंट एक विचारपूर्वक डेव्हलपमेंट जाय. उगीच करपाक जाय म्हूण करप असो डेव्हलपमेंटाक म्हाका तरी दिसता की असो पद्दतीचो डेव्हलपमेंट कोणाकच गोंयकाराक नाका.
Okay. Valerie, what according to you would be constructive development? How would you define constructive development?
As Mr. Vikas has said rightly, I think I agree to it. We need to talk more about sustainable development. So taking constructive development, I would take it in a positive limelight over here. So yes, we need to focus more on sustainable development here, which our present government fails to do so somehow. If I had to give a very personal example, I think we have a problem wherein the leaders themselves, say openly that sustainable development and economics cannot go together. That is the root cause of everything, that mentality. So we need to go beyond that. We need sustainable development in Goa, and it can happen. There are various countries which are going forward with it, which are going for clean renewable resources as such. I think Goa can also do that. So for that, I think we need open-mindedness also, and also experts' advice. Not just do whatever we want to do, but discuss and come up with ideas on how to go about it.
Okay. Okay. Mithila, how would you define, or what according to you would be sustainable development? Now that this is now the tone of the debate and the debate that is going ahead.
म्हाका वेलरीन कितें म्हळें तें सामकेंच पटलें आनी ओलेन्सियो आनी विकासानूय म्हळें तें सामकेंच पटलें. हे पळय, जे डेव्हलपमेंट जावपाक जाय ते एक म्हणजे टिकपाक जाय, कितलेय वर्सां जावं ते टिकपाक जाय आनी गोंयकारांक सगळ्यांक बरें पडपाक जाय ते. आतां हेल्थ केअर म्हण किंवा एज्युकेशन म्हण कितेंय म्हण, ते बिल्डिंगी आसूं, रोड आसूं, कितेंय आसूं, ते टिकपाक जाय. आनीक जे कितें आसा ते गोंयकारां खातीर करपाक जाय, लोकां खातीर करपाक जाय, आनीक पॉलिटिशियन किंवा व्हडले कंपनीजांक करपाचें अशें हें ना. इट शूड बी सस्टेनेबल, इट शूड बी फॉर द पीपल, एंड इट शूड बी लॉंग लास्टिंग. दॅट इज वॉट आय थिंक.
Okay. I have some views on from you on development, because let's agree we do need development. How do we define what is sustainable development?
See, development in terms of need-based, I completely agree with Olensi over here. For example, we have already seen the oxygen crisis in GMC. We already have resources that help the people and huge masses of people. So basically, what the government needs to do, or what the public institution needs to do, is focusing on the existing resources, improve that, and then go ahead towards other development. Development, of course, it's required in the state. In order to have a smart city, we need a proper system. We need proper roads. We need wider roads now with the increasing population also. So we need to change, but in a proper way.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, there is one question specifically asked for the Valerie. The question is asked by Litisha Khandekar. You guys have been doing a lot of protests. So does it truly brings any change?
A very nice question, actually. A lot of youth have that in their mind that, we are only coming out in the streets and nothing is happening. But something is really happening if you note. The youth are coming together. If I have to give you an example, I would start by saying, at first, only few of us came out on the streets to fight against the 3 linear projects. But the moment, we gained momentum and people started recognizing, yes, something needed to be done, I think that created a ripple effect and a lot of people joined in. If the Zauban laws earlier, maybe the CEC would not have come in the first place. So getting CEC over here, and they have recognized that, yes, the youth are doing something, the people are doing something, the protests are not just for it. Molem, for example, Molem Ditao, it reached international borders, it reached across the country, it reached across the nation. So the protests were really important. On-ground activities, Zaupa Zai Aslolo. If the Zauban are probably the leaders or the administrator would have thought, Kain all nainga lo pogi ha. So Kain Zauban, let's go ahead with the projects. The moment protests dale, it showed our dissent. So that is very important, and it brings about a change, yes, personal wise and also public, or at a public level.
Yes, very true.
Vikas, protests, how you are protest poita, when the youth are protesting, is it really creating the impact that is needed? Because
डेफिनेटली आता हांव एक ल्हानशें गोंयचें उदाहरण दिवपाक सोदतां.
okay,
ज्या वेळाचेर गोंय महाराष्ट्रा विलीन करपाचें काय ना, हाचेर जेन्ना निर्णय जालो की आमी लोकां मेरेन या, म्हाका सांगपाक खोस भोगता की त्या विधानसभेंतल्यान जॅक तिकेराव पयलो मनीस आयिल्लो की आपूण गोंय महाराष्ट्रा विलीन करून दिवचो ना म्हणून. ताजे उपरांत आमी पळयलें, हिस्ट्री आमकां सगळ्यांक खबर आसा कशा पद्दतीन.
Vikas, you're there? Okay, we'll come back to Vikas, not an issue. Let's get the connectivity back. But Olencio, you are known as a man of protests. You are involved in so many protests with so many issues. Do you get support from everyone, or is it just that, okay, there are certain pockets of people, certain section of society is with you? And if that is the case, how do you make it an all-inclusive issue?
कशें आसता, आतां मनशाक स्वार्थ वाडल्या कारणान खुबश्यो गजाली लोकांक स्वार्थ, प्रत्येकाक कशें दिसता, एखादो मनीस हांव समज जर प्रोटेस्टाक गेलो थंय गेलो आनी म्हजो जर फोटो जावं कोणी पॉलिटिशियनान पयलो आनी म्हजो भाव कोणी गव्हर्नमेंट सर्वंट आसा जाल्यार ताका फोन येता ट्रान्सफर मारपाक आनी मनीस जेन्ना भिता म्हणटा नाका म्हाका फॅमिलीचेर येतलें म्हणून खुबशे प्रोटेस्टाक भुरगे भायर सरनात. हें हांव कुडचड्यार जरी रावलो जाल्यार काणकोणाक हांवें पळयलां. आमी जेन्ना लोकांक उलो मारताले एखाद्या प्रोटेस्टा खातीर कितें करपाक, उदाहरणां CZMP वेळाचेर आमी बोवाळ मारताले, खुबश्या भुरग्यांक दिसतालें की येवपाक जाय, पूण ते एक पद्दतीचो सरकारी दडपण तांचेर उरतालें, तांकां भंय दिसतालें म्हणून ते येवपाक भायर सरताले. पूण निश्चितच जर सगळे जाणांनी एका आवाजान आनी एका ध्येयान जर आमी आवाज केलो निश्चितच बदल जातलो, हातूंत
Okay.
मात्तूय दुबाव ना.
Okay, I'll go back to Valencio. What I was asking you, known as a man of protest, do you actually get support? Is it always inclusive, or is it coming from certain sections only?
No, see, actually, since 2012, we've been taking up a lot of issues, and we are trying to create awareness among the masses. So basically, like I can tell you small instances, like there was this beach cleaning, mechanized beach cleaning, which was taking place, which had tendered by the tourism department, by then tourism minister. So we told them that mechanized cleaning will have problem to the beach because that will start flattening the dunes, destroying the sand dunes, the vegetation, and etc., which can be done manually. So see what we are, and besides that, there are several other issues which have been fought in the past and has been successful, and it is only become successful when everyone takes part of it. So I don't say we had problem, because when we called out for the people did come, but yes, we expect more of them to get involved. When every go and stand up, sometimes people think that, what if I make a noise, or if I vote, what will change? No, every drop makes an ocean. So every person plays a role. So today we have won all battles since independent revolution day, 18 June revolution start zale. तेजे उपरांत जायते तशे एजिटेशन आमी पास जाले. Latest what we won was the SEZ movement, where 18 SEZ were notified and then later on got denotified. All this happened.
What I'm saying because we are relating this to our youth as such. Why? I'll just go to Mitali. Mitali, do you think the youth are actually coming the way you would expect the youth to participate in these type of protests, or do you think there is something lacking?
Yeah, the youth are coming ahead, but there are people who are not coming ahead as well because they feel की आमकां कितें पडला. So I think this कितें जाता की समज तुका लागना, तुका कितें लागता जाल्यार तूं येतलो, तूं बोवाळ मारतलो, पूण तुका दुसऱ्याक कितें म्हणजे काय, तो फक्त पळयता आनी ताका कितें फरक पडना. Like he is not getting the pain, he is not suffering from it. That is why that person is not coming forward and speaking. That is the problem that Goan youth are facing, or Goans in general actually.
Okay.
की आपल्या काय फरक पडना. आता कितें जालें, समज मोलेचे प्रोजेक्ट जाले जाल्यार क्लायमेट चेंज येतलो, वर्सां आसा ताका, जाल्यार आतां काय जावपाचें ना. सो ताका लागून लोक येना. पूण हें कळपाक हे गोंयकारांक आनी सगळ्यांक कळपाक जाय की समज आज तूं म्हाका खातीर रावना उबो, जाल्यार फाल्यां जेन्ना हांव ना, समज sorry, if you don't stand for me today, there will be nobody who will stand for you tomorrow when you need it.
Okay.
So that is what I feel, that is what people should acknowledge की समज आपल्याक फाल्यां गरज आसा जाल्यार लोक आसपाक जाय म्हज्या खातीर. कित्याक हांव एक दीस, कित्याक आज हांव दुसऱ्यां खातीर रावलां, हे लोकांक कळपाक जाय, आनी म्हणून लोकांनी फुडें येवंक जाय अशें म्हाका दिसता. पूण खूब यूथ येता, खूब लोक येता, हेंय आसा. आनी हे आयल्या म्हणून मोल्याचें इतलें बरें जालां, आनी म्हणजे दॅट इज वॉट आय फील की आयल्यात लोक, पूण आनी येवपाक जाय.
Okay. Aibo, how do you galvanize the youth? How do you get bigger numbers and a much better participation, not just youth, but from cross section of society?
We need to focus on issues that really matter and issues that impact the youth. And in order to do that, we need to find out various ways, such as advertising it in a proper way and making them understand how it's going to affect their future and not only a particular community's future. So as of now, it's very difficult to get the youth out on the street because they are either working or they are either busy on social media playing PUBG or any other games. But
Okay.
we need to get their minds back on track and focus on issues that really matter.
Okay.
I will तुमका एक specific अनेक questions विचारला लूट baptism. Like last time तुम्ही highlight केलेले की there is a need of development of agriculture. So तो म्हणून शकता की is the youth are really ready to take up the challenge of agriculture or horticulture?
Yeah. So I actually went online today to answer this question. And when I saw about like if the youth are really motivated in order to get into agriculture, we have many politicians who said, like Glenn Ticklow from Aldona constituency, Kranti Din Kavlekar said to urge the youth to take up farming. But the problem is, what are the different methods, or is the thing upgraded or updated, like in terms of machinery? The youth are not going to go and take up the traditional methods for agriculture, because if you want to see a bigger production, in order to be economically strong, we have to be upgraded in terms of all the machinery as well. We need to focus on animal husbandry, then fishing, horticulture, all these sectors as well. We also have schemes such as Scheduled Tribes Farmers Assistance for Purchase, Mechanizing Agriculture in the state of Goa, Scheme for Crop Protection. But the question here is, how many people are aware about it? Do people really know about the various schemes that are available?
Okay.
Because how do you make agriculture more attractive to the youth? Because many times it is like agriculture is always looked as something like you have to get your hands dirty, you are working very hard, but then at the end of the day, if that poor farmer is not going to do that, you and I will not get food to eat. So how do you attract youth towards agriculture?
एक गजाल सांगता आमचे जर आमी स्कुलांत जर शिकना बरे भशेन पास जायना जाल्यार नॉर्मली कितें म्हणटाय तूं शिकना जाल्यार बापायसार शेत करतलो म्हणून नॉर्मली म्हणटाय कितें करतलो म्हणून आमी सुरवातेक भुरग्याक दाखोवन दिता की शेत करप ही वायट गजाल. नॉर्मली आमी शिकना बापायचे भशेन शेत करतलो आनी कोणा भशेन हें करतलो तशें करतलो म्हणून खंय तरी आमी शेताक शेती जें आसा खरें म्हळ्यार आमचो शेती प्रधान देश, ताची सुरवात शेतांतल्यान जय किसान जय जवानाचो नारोय दिल्लो. पण आमी शेता कडेन ज्या पद्दतीन वचपाक जाय, आमी जीन पॅन्ट घालून शेत करपी मनीस आमकां आज जाय. पयलीं आमचे जाणटेले बाकीचे कपडे घालून करताले, आज जीन पॅन्ट घालून शेत करपी मनीस आज आमकां गरज आसा. आमच्या काणकोणाकच कितलीशीं शेतां पडंग आसात. एक सुरवात हांवें केला, हांव स्वताक शेतय रोवतां. आमी सुरवात केल्ली आसा कितलेशे यूथ येतात. आतां ताणें आयवून सांगला तेजे प्रमाणे खुबश्यो स्किमी आसात त्यो सरकारा कडच्यान आमकां ताजे हेंय मेळटा, कितें आमकां सबसिडी मेळटा, 3-4% आमकां एग्रीकल्चर लोनूय मेळटा. त्या पद्दतीन जे प्रसार जावपाक जाल्लो, लोकां मेरेन ह्यो गजाली पावपाक जाल्ल्यो, युथा मेरेन.
I'll just ask you another question, you can continue. Is it profitable? Because finally कितें आहा, तूं कितलें काम कर, you need to end up having some sufficient income that is getting generated. Is it profitable in today's world?
डेफिनेटली प्रॉफिटेबल आसा. जर मेकॅनायझिंग पद्दतीन जर केलें, व्यवस्थीत केलें जाल्यार प्रॉफिटेबल आसाच. म्हळ्यार थोडे न्ही, मोठ्या प्रमाणात जावपाक जाय. कारण गव्हर्नमेंट सबसिडी दिता, तुका इनिशियल अमाउंट सरकार सबसिडी दिता, बाकी सगळें दिता, फर्टिलायझर दिता. कालचोच एक उदाहरण दिता तुका. काल हांवें एक प्रोग्राम पळयल्लो की हाजेर प्रुडंटाचेर शेतकाऱ्यांक हें दिलां, सारी वाटलां, प्लस जे ट्रॅक्टर घालपाक जे हें करपाक जाय ते युथांनी मुखार येवन तांकां ट्रॅक्टराक जो खर्च येता तो खर्चूय दिला. अशा पद्दतीन समाज सेवा करपी बी जायत्यो संघटना आसात त्यो मदत करता. आमकां फक्त ते प्रॉपर पद्दतीन त्यो लोकां मेरेन पावोवपाक जाय. आनी म्हाका दिसता सरकारी अधिकारी खंय तरी कमी पडटात की ह्यो सगळ्यो स्किमी लोकां मेरेन व्हरपाक. सो लोकां मेरेन ह्यो स्किमी गेल्यार निश्चितच youth शेताक देंवतलो.
Okay.
Yeah, Valerie, like I would like to ask, like, what step can be undertaken in order to make the Goa self-sufficient in terms of agriculture sector?
What steps to be taken? Okay, in the agriculture sector, I am the president of the Chikalim Youth Farmers Club. So I know for a fact that agriculture has a lot of scope. And I would not say that the youth are not interested in it. The youth are interested in it, but some of them are not getting good mentors. They're not having any guidance. So if you want to go ahead in agriculture, I think we need to identify areas. We need to identify fields. आमको कित शेत हाय, खंयचे शेतपाट फेलो लँड सोडलो हाय, ती आम सोदूं जाय. And then maybe through elders, they can guide the youth kitko mukar वचपाचें, which is happening to us. The elders आमकां guide कोत्ताय. And as Mr. Vikas has said, I think it is very much profitable if only done in the right way. There are a lot of schemes. Now the concept of Krishi card has come up. A lot of subsidies are given. The only thing is that, for example, if I have to take Murmugaon as an area, I think if agriculture has to go forward, we need something called zonal agriculture office over here, which we do not have. So at Murmugaon ko tumka farmers mukar oral hai. If youth attract korpa zaye, you need the office. Otherwise, na also bottle salset. So when subsidy been given, thing also bottle. But if you give it to the people, then yes, gara mukar adon jita. Yes.
So that is one part. That is one part. How does the youth get attracted towards it? Because at the end of the day, let's look at it. Young people, they want immediate results. It's an instant world, instant coffee, instant noodles. So it's like, if I grow the field, I need instant, revenues. Can you highlight some of the revenue generation that happens? Is it
revenue generation? It generates a lot of money. Obviously, from a farmer's perspective, we are getting subsidies. We are not putting in a lot of money. But then, if we have a good produce,
Well, is तुवें आता सबसिडीज म्हटल्या न्ही, तुवें सबसिडरी मेळटा म्हणटा सबसिडीज. सो खुबशे लोक अशे गांवांत आसा की तांकां ते सबसिडीची नॉलेजच नासता. सो तेंचे पर्यंत कशें पावपाचें तुका दिसता?
in the grassroots level, amge kon panchayats bin hai, panch bin hai, tenge role inge eta, so that they make people aware ki baba eso schemes ahai. That is their job, tenge job to kon sopa apnage farmers ahai gawa. Then kitko mun am help korpa data through the subsidies. Awareness korpa hai, which is not happening. True, sarke ha. Loka hoba na dala kitya mun getole subsidies, tek hobaru na. So I think the first thing exactly आमको attractive korpa सांगपा जाय तुमगे चोड पयशे नाकाय subsidy government दिता so AI GI subsidies so that should come from the grassroots level I feel.
Okay. Olencio, apart from agriculture, what is the scope as far as fisheries is concerned? When I'm talking about fisheries, I'm not talking about mechanized deep sea fishing wherein you'll require loads of money to start off with a trawler or something like that. How can the youth get attracted towards this segment?
First thing, जे विकास बाबान सांगला की आम्ही agriculture जो आसा, we treat it like as if it's a low job.
Yeah.
Ejer पहिले we should come out from that mindset, and I certainly blame first the teachers. Suppose the Burgo.
Is that the reason why you left teaching?
No. Suppose the Burgo शिकना, तू जातलो हारी, तो शिकना, तो जातलो शेतकार. हे पहिले कॉन्सेप्ट पहिले काढपा जाय. We should think that agriculture is equivalent to a white collar job, and certainly it is. आयज जो नुस्तेकार पळय जोडटा तो आयज इंजिनियरी जोडना, आयज जो शेतकार पळय जोडटा वो डॉक्टरी जोडना. सो इट इज स्किल. सो आम्ही ही स्किल पळय आसा वी हॅव टू एनकरेज. सपोज नुस्तेकाराचो चलो स्कुलान शिकता, त्या चल्याक म्हणपा जाय यू शूड बिकम अ बेटर फिशरमॅन. If there is an agriculturist son studying in a school, it should be a better agriculture, use modern technology. So in fisheries, certainly yes, there is huge scope. Today, ICE agents asa, they त्यांचो turnover जो जाता कोट्यांनी, आणि जो फार्मर आसा तो जोडटा कमी, जो नुस्तेकाराक जोडटा कमी. सो हे पळय गॅप आसा फ्रॉम फार्मर टू एजंट, तो गॅप आम्ही मिनिमाइज केलो. प्रॉफिट जो आसा मल्टीफोल वयतलो, कित्याक शेतकार या नुस्तेकार पळय पीक मारता ते तो इतलो जोडना, कित्याक तो मिडलमॅन सगळे खाता.
ओके.
मिडलमॅन अर्न्स मोर दॅन दॅट. सो हे जे आसा गॅप पळय आसा, हे सरकारान इंटरेस्ट घेवपाक जाय. कित्याक आतां सरकार इंटरेस्ट घेना, आयज सबसिडी दिता. इवन फॉर एक्झाम्पल फिशरी सबसिडी ती कित्याक 8 म्हयन्यान 1 वर्सान रिलीज करता, ती कित्याक 24 वरां भितर रिलीज जायना. त्याचो
Yes.
प्रोसिजर कित्याक इतलो लेंथी आसता? यू हॅव टू सबमिट
Okay.
सेव्हरल डॉक्युमेंट. तो कित्याक मिनिमाइज जाता? आयज डिजिटल इंडिया तुमी म्हणटा, कित्याक जायना डिजिटलाइज्ड? सो हे जे आसा, हे जे पळय प्रोसिजर पळय आसा, ह्या सेक्शनांनी कोणें इंटरेस्ट घेवना आनी म्हाका खात्री आसा की न्यू गव्हर्नमेंट येतलो तो ह्या डिरेक्शनान पळयतलो. कित्याक आयज इंडिया इज अ फार्मिंग स्टेट. आयज UP आसा, पंजाब आसा, गुजरात आसा, हे सगळे स्टेट आयज एग्रीकल्चर स्टेट. सो आमी गोंय जे आसा, वी ऑल्सो कॅन गो टू दॅट नेक्स्ट लेवल if the agriculture department, the fisheries department be more proactive towards those who are already sustaining via this profession.
Okay. I'll just want to push Mitali into this question. Mitali, is it just the teachers and the stereotype that we create, or would a youngster find or feel a lot of pressure within his own family? It's like somebody says, "Oh, I want to go and embrace agriculture." So, is that a change that has to start from the home, wherein we actually bring in dignity of labor and
It
say that?
definitely starts with home.
Yes.
आता आम्ही पळय सगळी आता कितें मार्क्स मेळू तू लोक म्हणटले की आता पेरेंट्स ऑर इवन टीचर्स, चल तू सायन्स घे, चल तू कॉमर्स घे, चल तू आर्ट्स घे. अशें एग्रीकल्चर ऑर इवन फिशरीज, इट्स science. It's not something that is low grade. It is scientific and it is something that is very important. आता एग्रीकल्चर ना जाल्यार आमकां खावपाक कोण दितलो? समज फार्मर ना जाल्यार आमकां खावपाक कोण दितलो? समज लोक दर्यान वचून नुस्तें हाडना जाल्यार आमकां नुस्तें कोण दितलो? So obviously these things have dignity and they should be given dignity, and it should start at home. की कितेंय तुका समज तुका कितें जाय जाल्यार तूं कर. एग्रीकल्चर जाय तू एग्रीकल्चर कर, फिशरीज जाय तू फिशरीज कर. अशें नाका की ओके तुका तितले मार्क्स मेळटा जाल्यार तू होच करतलो किंवा हे. इट शूड स्टार्ट फ्रॉम होम की तुका जाय तें कर आनी नो जॉब इज लेस, नो जॉब इज मोर. हे डिस्क्रिमिनेशन जावपाक जायना आनी दिस मेंटॅलिटी समज काडपा जाय जाल्यार इट शूड स्टार्ट विथ पेरेंट्स टेलिंग देयर चिल्ड्रन की सगळे जॉब्स बरे आसा, सगळे इक्वल आसा, एक बरें ना आनी एक वर्ड ना अशें कांय ना. खंयच्याय फिल्डान वच तू समज तुवें कश्ट केले तुका मेळटले पयशे, तू बरो सक्सेसफूल जातलो, हे मायंडसेट आसपाक जाय आनी हे पेरेंट्सांनी सांगपाक जाय, टिचरांनी सांगपाक जाय. समज आता विकासान म्हळ्या ऑलेन्सियोन म्हळ्या की आनी ते सामके खरें की टिचरी म्हणटात की चल तू फार्मर जातलो किंवा हे जातलो तू अभ्यास करना जाल्यार, आनी दॅट इज व्हेरी रॉंग टू डावनग्रेड वन फील्ड टू अपलिफ्ट अनदर. दॅट्स व्हॉट आय थिंक.
आणि मिथिला लायक एड्युकेशन बद्दल तुका कितें दिसता? इज अवर एड्युकेशन इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर इज अप टू डेट?
I feel that as far as Goa is concerned, education is good, but there has to be a lot of upgradation. आता तू एज्युकेशन म्हणटा जाल्यार इवन आमचे कॉलेज टेक्स्टबुकांनी इट शूड बी अपग्रेडेड. आमची अपग्रेड जाता टेक्स्टबुक पण सेम मॅटर आसता. थोडे आउटग्रेडेड स्टफ आम्ही शिकता. इवन मेडिकलान आम्ही शॉर्ट नोटा बरयता ती मेडिसिन आम्ही युजूच करना, मागीर फुडें वचून अरे हे आमी यूज करता, हे आमी यूज करना, अशें जावंक जायना. It should be upgraded, it should be updated. That is the first thing that has to be done. Second thing that has to start from school is sex education, financial education, to make a student financially independent. And sex education म्हळ्यार ओके तुका खबर आसा की consent कितें बाबा, gender कितें, sex कितें, sexuality कितें, what is proper, so that people don't go into all these crimes, don't be sexual offenders or be anything. You have to learn all these things. आमकां ते सगळें नॉर्मलाइज केला की हा ओके आता समज खूप लोकांक कन्सेंट खबर ना, दॅट नो इज अ नो अँड येस इज अ येस, हे लोकांक खबर ना. हे लोकांक खबर आसपाक जाय आनी दिस शूड स्टार्ट एट अ कॉलेज. इट शूड कॉलेज न्ही, स्कूल लेवल. भुरग्यांक कळपाक जाय. समज गुड टच आनी बॅड टच हे कळपाक जाय भुरग्यांक की अरे कितें कोणें केलें जाल्यार हा सांगपाक जाय, पोलिसाक वचून सांगपाक जाय, आवय बापायक वचून सांगपाक जाय दॅट दिस इज रॉंग अँड यू बाउंड्रीज हे सगळे म्हणजे स्कुलानूच शिकोवपाक जाय. दॅट इज वॉट आय फील की एज्युकेशन नीड्स टू डू दॅट. Secondly, I feel is that the focus shouldn't be where teachers and parents say ki okay tu science कर, तू commerce कर, तू arts कर. खूपशे fields असतात. Direct the student to that also. Some people are not good with science, some people are not good with education, they want to do something in sports, so that should be encouraged, that should not be discriminated against.
Okay.
So I think this is what I feel.
ती आता न्यू पॉलिसी लायक इज लायकली टू बी इम्प्लिमेंटेड ते म्हणतात की लायक आमचे लायक प्रत्येक स्टेटीन लायक मदर लँग्वेज यूज करपाक जाय सो हाव इट हेल्प लायक इट विल हेल्प फॉर अवर यूथ
इट इज डेफिनेटली इम्पॉर्टंट की तुका कोंकणी आता आमच्या गोंयान म्हण तूं कोंकणी आसा आनी मराठी आसा आमची थोड्यांची कोंकणी मायभास थोड्यांची मराठी मायभास आनी आय थिंक इट इज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट की तूं इवन घरा तूं कोंकणी उलय तूं कॉलेज स्कुलांनी वता जाल्यार तूं कोंकणी शिक म्हणजे बरोवपाक शिक उलोवपाक शिक हें सारकें इम्पॉर्टंट कित्याक वी हॅव टू बी इन टच विथ आवर कल्चर. आवर कल्चर इज इम्पॉर्टंट. इंग्लीश शिकपाचें इम्पॉर्टंट. हिंदी शिकपाक जाय हिंदी शिक तें इम्पॉर्टंट. पूण आमचे कल्चर वी शूड नॉट मूव अवे फ्रॉम आवर कल्चर. वी शूड प्रिझर्व आवर कल्चर बिकॉज दिस इज समथिंग दॅट हॅज कम फ्रॉम सो मेनी इयर्स अँड वी हॅव टू पास इट टू सो मेनी अदर जनरेशन्स.
Okay.
इट इज आवर हेरिटेज
Okay.
and we
Now,
should be proud of it.
now we see many students passing out every year. Then when we look at the numbers, we say that these are educated youngsters. But are these educated youngsters employable, or is there a gap, Ivo? Ivo, I want you to unmute your mic.
Okay, so I'm giving you all an example. I have done child welfare and youth, family, child and youth welfare specialization. And in order to get to do the specialization, we require jobs in that particular sector. But unfortunately, in the state of Goa, you do not see so many jobs in the welfare of child. In fact, for social workers, if there are jobs, it is only psychiatric social worker or a health social worker. And these jobs are taken over by people from the other state. So,
Why is that happening?
because we do not have proper choices here of specializations that link us to the jobs that are available here in the state.
So you mean to say there is a gap in as to what is required and what
Yeah.
we are educating our youngsters?
Yes. So we need to focus on things that are actually available here in the state. Like in terms of agriculture, increase the amount, like we have Sulkona College of Agriculture, increase more colleges, build another 2 colleges, one here in the north, in order to get the intake. You see many of the job students who have passed out from the agricultural college are doing quite well nowadays. But for us as social workers, it started with 20 people intake. Now we are just 6 in the class in the entire state of Goa.
Okay.
And unfortunately, I'm the only guy in the entire state of Goa doing the social work. So
Okay.
the intake is going quite less. So we need to focus on things that actually are required.
So would this mean that there are cottage industries? There are cottage industries, and how do we promote these cottage industries so that they can become a livelihood for the people? I'll just push this to Vikas. Like when you look at our handicrafts, Goans are great artisans. But how do we make this a livelihood and a permanent livelihood for somebody who is coming from those backgrounds? He will have those different type of a skill set. Everybody cannot become a doctor, everybody cannot become an engineer, and everybody doesn't want to become a banker. Because
हॅलो
yeah, Vikas.
हॅलो
Yes.
we can use.
ऐकपा येता
Yeah.
ऐकपा येता
Yes. Go ahead.
आयवोच्या कांय मतांक हांव सहमत आसा. म्हणजे कितलेशे भुरगे आज एग्रीकल्चर कॉलेजीन असल्या कारणान दुसरे वचून शिकतात. आमच्या गोंया भितर अशे ट्रायबल्स आसात जांकां स्कील आसा, मडकी करपाची आसत,
Correct.
बाकीची ती सुपां करपाची आसत किंवा नाल्ला पासून वेगवेगळे करपाक, आनी ताका बरी मागणी आसा. हांगा तुजे फॉरेनर गोंया भितर येतात तांकां बरी मागणी आसा. पूण कशें ते स्कील आनी प्रॉपर म्हणजे आमी तांची ते घरा कडेन आसता ती स्कील आमकां आमचे मेरेन पावना, ते थंयच आसतात. तांकां जर आमी प्रॉपर पद्दतीन मार्केट केलो. मदींच 2002 गव्हर्मेंटान एक बरी स्कीम काडलेली ताजेर हँडीक्राफ्टाची, हे बी बरे पद्दतीन. मागीर ती सरकाराली चल्ली ना, कारण त्या पद्दतीन ती वचपाक जाय आसली फुडें. दामू नायक कितें तरी ताजो म्हाका पयलो अध्यक्ष आसलो हँडीक्राफ्टाची, ती मागीर गेली ना. साबार मागणी आसा ताका. त्या स्किलीक जर आमी प्रमोट केलो आनी ताचे खातीर तुका शिक्षण जाय अशें ना, तुका फक्त हाती वयलें काम तें जर बरे पद्दतीन जर जालें जाल्यार निश्चितूच गोंया भितर तें जावपाक शकता. एक वेगळी पद्दतीचो तो एक एम्प्लॉयमेंट तयार जावपाक शकता.
Okay.
आणि एक तुमकां एक क्वेश्चन विचारला जेरेड डिसिल्वान. समज लायक आमचो पंचायत राज्य ऍक्ट समज इम्प्लिमेंट केलो जाल्यार आमच्या गोंय राज्याक खरोखरच हेल्प जातले तेजे.
डेफिनेटली जातलो. पंचायत रायट हे केलो जाल्यार गोंयाक फायदो जावपाचो. अशे कितलेशेच कायदे आसात पंचायती भितर तेच्या इम्प्लिमेंटच जायना. आनी हांव तर
Now who will be responsible for this? Like implements असा पण इम्प्लिमेंट करना.
तेका सरकार जबाबदार ते जाले त्याच बरोबर लोकूय जबाबदार आसात. आमीय जबाबदार आहा. कारण आमी आमचो आवाज सरकारा मेरेन जोपर्यंत पावयना तोपर्यंत जावपाक शकना. हें सरकार मोने भेड्डे जाला ताका तें दर वेळार दाखोवन दिवचें पडटा. आमी लोक खंय म्हाका दिसता की आमी खंय तरी कमी पडटात. लोक म्हणचे पेक्षा आमी म्हणप बरें. आमी खंय तरी कमी पडटात म्हणून हें जातात. परचेच एक सांगता गोंया भितर 22 वर्सांचो एक कावन्सिलर जाला कुंकळ्ळे हितूंतल्यान उद्देश नाईक देसाय म्हणून आनी तो इंजिनियरींग कॉलेजीक शिकता. आनी तो भुरगो कित्याक जालो ह्या सगळ्या प्रोटेस्टा भितर हें गोंयचें जें डिस्ट्रक्शन चलता तें ताणें पळयलें आनी ताणें तो हातूंत पावलो. आनी आयज जर पळयत जाल्यार म्हाका जाल्यार खरी खोस भोगता की तो भुरगो खुबशें काम बरें त्या म्युन्सिपालिटी भितर करता. कुंकळ्ळे म्युन्सिपालिटी भितर खूब सुंदर काम करता तो. म्हणजे यंग भुरगो 22 वर्सांचो भुरगो. म्हणजे म्हाजें सांगपाचें तात्पर्य इतलेंच की आमी सरकाराक जागे करचे पडटले. ह्या पंचायत राज जो एक्ट आसा जर आमी खोलायेन जर ताजेर अभ्यास केलो न्हू आमकां खूब म्हळ्यार खूब फायदेशीर आसा तो.
Olencio, why is that there is hardly any participation at panchayat level politics from the youth? And I'm talking about, I can give you facts and figures. Even in my own village in Kortali, whenever we have a Gram Sabha, there are a handful of people, maybe maximum of 15 or 20 people, and these are always the regular guys. But you never see youngsters and the youth attending this, because this is the body which will end up making decisions for the people of the state or people of your own village. So how to bring the youth into something as small as participation in the Gram Sabha? You don't have to be into politics.
आमचे प्रॉब्लेम कितें जाला, आमी चिंता की पॉलिटिक्स म्हणल्यार इज समथिंग बॅड. आमचे पेरंट्स, आमचे टिचर्स सांगता की पॉलिटिक्सान वचनाका आनी खंय वच, तुका कितें जावपा जाय, डॉक्टर, इंजिनियर, हें माती खबर. पॉलिटिशियन जावपा जाय, सोशल वर्क करपा जाय, माती व्हरपा जाय. पूण आमी कितें आसा न्हू, आमचें परसेप्शन पयलें चेंज करपा जाय. आतां जेन्ना ग्रामसभा येता, आर टीचर्स, आर schools, colleges should encourage students to go to Gram Sabhas. Our religious heads should encourage students to go ahead. They should be given projects. They should be given a task.
I'll just interrupt you, because many of the youngsters are studying this. Whether they are going in, for at graduation level, they are talking about it's part of their curriculum. So they are only doing book study. They are not going and doing the real thing or experiencing it. Basically, you don't have to do anything.
So आमचे कितें जाला, आमचे एड्युकेशन इज जाला कितें थियोरेटिकल बेस, practical ना आमचे एड्युकेशन. This is the biggest flaw in our education system. No, we don't
Any
have
suggestions?
Except I can tell you, give one instance. There is a sociology sir in Chogle College named Sachin.
Okay.
He encouraged students to go to protest, to study activists, to study issues, and then and encourage students to go ahead for attending meetings or awareness meetings. So we need to have this education system to be changed, revamped. We have to go shift away from stereotype of thinking na magin kele zale na theoretically practical aspa jay. So we suppose a civil engineer जाता, तो बरो सिव्हिल इंजिनियर जावपा जाय, दोतोर जावपा जाय, तो बरो डॉक्टर जावपा, आपणाचे एथिक्स मेंटेन करपा जाय. सिव्हिल इंजिनियर तो जेन्ना कंस्ट्रक्शन बांदता तेणे कायद्या भितर बांदपा जाय. डॉक्टर जेन्ना बांदता, आयज कोरोना जाले, थोडे हॉस्पिटल 1 लाख दिसाक चार्जिंग केले. So this kind of education need to be come to the school, and it should be more practical based. We don't require आमचे एड्युकेशन अशें जाला की रेस जाला. We have to get the best mark, we have to get the top rank, but we don't become good people. We don't want to have revolutionary thoughts. We don't want to do different. We just want to follow what one person is doing. So change जावपा जाय. I think this can start through parents and
Okay. Valerie, do you attend Gram Sabhas, Valerie?
Yes, okay, to be very honest.
And that was my first question. There are 2 questions. I'll let you answer. Don't worry.
Okay.
If you are attending Gram Sabhas, Okay, how can you influence and motivate people like you to come out in large numbers and be part of it? There is no politics in Gram Sabha. It is basically your views that are placed before your elected members. How do you go about that?
Okay, firstly, I'll be very honest, Atale. I never attended any Gram Sabhas until 2019. I
Okay.
think that was a big change in my life that happened. And I think unless and until हमने तो step gain है कि Gram Sabha attend Korea, we are never going to go forward. So for the youth, I understand it is very boring for them. म्हाका boring लागतले Gram Sabha कोण जाणटेले वयताय म्हाका तें दिसतालें. But the major decisions over गेला थिंगाच जाताय. From BDC, appointing BDCs आणि कितें खंयचे projects येताय, it is पंचायत ग्राम सभाचे decide जाताय. So for youth, आता भायर येवपा, I think it is तेंगे मातशें mentality change जावपा जाय. Because how long आमगे elders म्हूण वयतली? कितू वगत म्हूण आमगे elders सगळेंच वयतली. So time येयलो की युथान मातशें जाग जावपा जाय हितून. नाजाल्यार आमगे आदी कांय आसपाना.
Okay, Mithila, how do you push youngsters like you to attend a Gram Sabha? Over there, you have the power.
I have never attended a Gram Sabha. And
I hope you will attend now. I hope you will attend now.
Yeah, the thing
Okay.
is की म्हाका खबर ना की केन्ना जाता, कशें जाता, खंय जाता.
Okay.
There is what I feel is की कोणाक काय खबरूच ना की अरे ग्राम सभा जाता, खंय कशें जाता, कितें प्रोसेस आसा, कशें वचपाचें, खंय वचपाचें. हे
Okay.
युथाक खबरूच ना, कोण सांगयना आणि कशें सांगता ते कशें कळटा तेंय खबर ना. I think that is a communication gap that is happening. Even if we want to do, even if we want to go and participate and do
I
something.
will disagree with you, Mithila. If there is a party and a show, musical party or some partying type of an activity, and a person is based in South and it is in North, he will somehow find how, when,
That is
and all those things. So basically, it is like if you want, you can actually go out and make your own way as such. But now, as you are saying, yes, sometimes there is the gap, no doubt. But
Yeah, that is there.
you
But
can
आता
finish
तू
it.
पळय, समज पार्टी जाली जाल्यार क्लास ग्रुपान आसतले की ओके घाली पोस्टर घालो किंवा सोशल मीडियाचेर घालो. When is there a time? I have never seen like okay की आता मीटिंग आसा किंवा हे आसा किंवा कशें कितें करपाचें. There it is never put. Maybe it is the mentality or maybe there is a communication gap. I do not know.
Okay.
But the thing is ki that is very true ki people, the youth have to go and they have to participate. If they want to make a change, they have to come forward and they have to attend these meetings, know what is happening. I think that is where one can know how to be a politician. It is very true that youth have to come and contest, even be it at a very low level, like a panchayat, grassroots level, I would say. Youth have to come forward and they have to contest and they have to know the mechanisms and machineries or how to go about how the technicalities of the the post तुका कितें जाय पोस्टाक कितें जाय लोकांक कितें जाय हे सगळें म्हणजे कळपाक जाय युथाक आणि youth have to take interest in this.
Okay.
And there has to be some way like where youth can come and participate. And I think
I think-
Gram Sabhas are very this, but it should there should be.
I think Yuva Awaz can take up an initiative, and there is Gram Sabhas in all over Goa in different panchayats. We can actually go out and post it on our
Yeah.
channel.
I think
and
that
make
will
it
be
known to everyone. And for that reason, I would request many of the viewers who are logged in today and who have been there previously also, be there, log in, subscribe to the Goitsa Awaz and Yuva Awaz channel, so you will get continuous inputs not only on when your particular Gram Sabha is, but also on different other issues. But then yes, we have to use the medium which the youth are very well versed with, and that medium is social media. So I think if we take that stand, we are moving in the right direction.
yes.
There is one more nice question, sir, about the politics. Should be Goa independence from the Congress, from Goa Forward Party or the BJP?
Just the answer yes or no. Should Goa be independent from BJP, Congress, and go forward? This is a question that was posed by Lancy Fernandez. Olencio, yes or no?
I don't think so. It is a yes or no question. The thing is that it depends on the people, not the party. Every party has a lot of bad people and a lot of bad influence. What needs to be done is that the party or the people should have actually a good intention to do well for the country, to do well for the state.
Okay.
It doesn't depend on the party. Whichever party you are, तू समज बरो करता जाल्यार गोंया खातीर बरो करपाक जाय. हायर तुझ्या सुपिरियर बरें कितें सांगता आनी कोण इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट कितें सांगता ताजें आयकुपाचें न्ही की तुझे गोंयकार तुजो गोंय तुवें बरें करपाक जाय गोंयान हें तुवें इंटेंशन आसपाक जाय.
Because every politician is a Goinkar by birth. Olencio.
A known devil is better than an unknown ghost, you know. तशें आसा. सो हांव म्हणटा की आयज जो पॉलिटिकल सिच्युएशन येयलेलो आसा तो आसा की जी डेमोक्रेसी जी आसा ती काबार जाता. वी हॅव टू अंडरस्टँड दॅट. आयज पळय होलसेल परचेस आनी थ्रेट्स आनी ब्लॅकमेलिंग पळय चलता, अरेस्ट बी चलता. दीस इज व्हेरी बॅड फॉर डेमोक्रेसी. आनी म्हाका दिसता की फुडलें इलेक्शन पळय आमी झगडटले ती एक युनायटेड फ्रंट जावपाक जाय. सगळे गोंयकार पॉलिटिकल पार्टी एक जावन झगडल्यारूच आमी हे जे ऑथोक्रेटिक फॉर्म ऑफ गव्हर्नमेंट पळय जाता अंडर मोदी रिजीम ती काबार करपाक वी हॅव टू कम टुगेदर. अदरवायज इट विल बी व्हेरी डिफिकल्ट टू डिफीट देम बिकॉज दे आर ऑलरेडी कंट्रोलिंग द एंटायर सिस्टम and soon we might go to a Salazar type of rule where
we don't want Salazar returning back. Valerie, your views? Valerie, can you hear me?
Yes.
Should Goa be independent from BJP, Congress, and go forward?
If I want to just say yes, but then more than that, I'm going audience especially on readers I suggest for the please read George Orwell's book 1984. You will understand who is the big brother who is playing and who are the people on what is going to happen. So to एक book read करा तुमगे answer तुमको direct मेटलो yes or no कितो.
विकास बाब तुका कितें दिसता?
तुम्ही सांगले म्हाका येस काय नो म्हणपाची म्हण बरोबर.
If you want, you can add also. No problem.
एकदा ऑफिसांत गेल्लो कलेक्टर मजमुकार बसलो राजू देसाई कलेक्टर. ताज्यान ताजी भासाभास जाल्यार म्हाका म्हणपाक लागलो एस काय नो तितलें सांग म्हणून. हांवें म्हणलें बरें सर हांव म्हणलें तुका एक प्रश्न करता त्या प्रश्नाचें उत्तर म्हाका एस किंवा नो हाजेर दी म्हणून. हांवें म्हणलें तुका तुगे बायलेर मारपाक सोडलें काय म्हणून. खंय काय ना तें सांग म्हण. तुका तुज्या बायलेन मारपाचें सोडलें खंय काय ना काय म्हण तें सांग म्हणून. तो ओगी रावलो हय म्हणपाक शकना तो नाही म्हणपाक शकना. खंयच्याच मागे सांगपा तात्पर्य खंयच्याच प्रश्नाचें उत्तर हय काय ना तें जावपाक शकना. हय जाल्यार कित्या हय, ना जाल्यार कित्या ना. हांव ह्या वेळार इतलेंच म्हणटा की गोंयाक खंयचेंय आसूं दी एक राज्याक रिजनल पार्टी जाय ती मागीर खंयचीय आसूं दी. कारण जो पर्यंत एक रिजनल पार्टी जायना तो पर्यंत आमकां कितें जाय केंद्र सरकार ठरवचें ना. केंद्रांतल्यान एखादो निर्णय आयलो की गोंयचें सरकार जर आमचें उरलें रिजनल पार्टी उरली जाल्यार तें ना म्हणपाक शकता. आता बीजेपीचेच पळयात तुम्ही केंद्रांतल्यान एखादो निर्णय येता बीजेपी हय म्हणचेच पडटा कारण नॅशनल पार्टी. काँग्रेसची सरकार आसलें जाल्यार एखादो निर्णय केंद्रांतल्यान आयलो हय म्हणची पडटा. पण हांव इतलेंच म्हणत की गोंया भितर एक रिजनल पार्टी जावपाक जाय आनी स्ट्रॉंग उरपाक जाय इतलेंच हांव म्हणत. मागीर ती खंयचीय आसपाक शकता.
Okay. Ivo, your views on the same question?
Okay, so I would say yes, we need to be free of them, but eventually all the parties have a right to contest for the elections. The only difference that needs to be done is a change in an ideology, because we see the party focusing on religion, the party focusing on caste and class of the citizen of the nation. You have seen recently the CAA that came into force, and various other policies that are focusing on increasing making India into a Hindutva nation, which is not what it is. We are one country, we are a secular country. So keeping this in mind, each and every party needs to contest and work for the people.
How do you bring youth into this? How can we see youth leaders springing up?
as of recent times, we have definitely seen a lot of youth contesting for elections, and I, for one, too, want to contest for the panchayat elections.
Very
Uh,
good.
so, in order to get the youth, we need to be an example. So, we
Very
need to show ourselves contesting. We need to show ourselves being the leaders in our own community first, and that is where the youth will realize, okay, we are doing a great job. We know what we want for our citizens, and therefore they will also join hands in.
Like, what are the difficulties you have faced while contesting the election?
I have not yet contested, and the only difficult I'm facing right now is I'm staying on rent in another village, and I'm registered under another village panchayat. Unfortunately, the people do not know me over there, but
Okay.
I will definitely show myself as a leader, and I will also show myself as an educated youth who knows the true requirements of that society. Because I've already studied all the villages next, like my neighboring villages and their requirements. I've also written a lot of letters to on Goa Online. We can all put public grievances over there. So I've definitely taken advantage of that. So we all need to fight for that common cause in the society. And I hope people realize that it's important for youth to now step up and take the leadership.
Our last question for this evening, we more or less covered up everything. And the last question is going to be based on what is going to be the next program. So the next program is happening on the 17th of July. And that particular program is called Income Opportunities During the Pandemic. It would be again on the same channel. Now, we're seeing a lot of drain. We're seeing a lot of youth leaving the state for other countries, seeking jobs abroad. Then at the same time, there is also another argument wherein everybody would like to have a government job also. It's very difficult to balance both these things. The government cannot provide everybody a government job. And everybody wants employment. How do we solve this problem? How do we solve this issue? Yes, Olenju, go ahead.
This is a very good question, and I think everyone wants to hear this. See, government have its limitations. See, I can tell you instance where government is overemployed staff. There are department heads which don't do any job. Just punch and go home, punch and go, and they are paying.
No, because we are running short on time, I want you to be very specific.
So what we require is, now we have 23 industrial estates. We have more than 2,500 small big units across Goa. So
Alright.
it is reservation. Andhra Pradesh has passed 75% reservation for their locals.
Okay.
Same need to happen in Goa. See, we are revolutionary. We are entrepreneurs. Ami Orad Goenkar. So we are entrepreneur by birth also, you can say.
Okay.
So what we require opportunity. आता खंयचो हॉटेल येयलो तो गोंयकाराक घेना, तो आता नेपाली घेता नाल्यार नॉन गोवन घेता. कित्याक गोंयकाराक जाय 20,000 पगार, तेका जाय 10,000 पगार, सो तेका दिता.
Now, how do you see what we are saying is we want the solutions. We know that these are the problems. So one of your point was reservations in industrial estates. Okay, fine. Let me, because I'm really running short on time. Yeah, Valerie, go ahead.
Okay, so if you want to, jobs employment create purpose, I think first and foremost, mentality only for government jobs, that should reduce, I feel. We can go for entrepreneurship, create purpose. As a mentor says, don't be job seekers, be job creators. I think Goa has enough resources to create its own job. Agriculture, for one example, if we only make it attractive and make it more, feasible for youth, Mukaryopa, I think we can have jobs in that sector.
Okay.
So we only need to plan on that.
Okay. So your take is entrepreneurship. Fine. Because how do we solve this?
आय एग्री. कशें आसा, आमकां सगळ्यांकूच गव्हर्मेंट जॉब मेळपाक शकना. आमी एग्रीकल्चर सेक्टर आसत, हॉर्टिकल्चर सेक्टर आसत, फिशरीज आसत, टुरिझम सेक्टरां बऱ्यापैकी आमी बिझनेस करपाक जाय. आमी जॉब गिवर जावपा जाय, टेकर जावचे पेक्षा हांव तेगे मतांक सहमत आसा. पूण कशें आसा, हें सगळें करतना एक इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर गव्हर्मेंटान तितल्याच पद्दतीन आमकां तयार करून दिवपाक जाय. खादी ग्राम उद्योगा सारकी एक बरी स्कीम आसली, ती गव्हर्मेंटान बंद केली, जाका इंटरेस्ट फ्री लोन मेळटाले. खुबशे भुरगे त्या वेळाचेर तयार जाले, आपलो स्वताचो व्यवसाय करताले. आता ती खंय तरी अश्यो खंय तरी सरकारान स्किमी तयार करपाक जाय, जाणे करून भुरग्यांक प्रोत्साहीत जावन बिझनेस करपा वाटेन मुखार वचपाक जाय.
Okay. Yeah, Mithila, sorry.
Yeah. So first thing I would like to link this to sustainable development. आता तुम्ही म्हणता की इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर जाय, डेव्हलपमेंट जाय, ओके जाय. Some I'll take say healthcare, okay, healthcare घेयात जाल्यार तुम्ही long term हे करपाक जाय. So building बांदपाक. So building बांदपाक good, like you need a good engineer who will do it.
So we're talking about the youth drain, the workforce. People
Yeah,
who actually-
that's what I'm saying. That's
Yeah,
what I'm
okay.
saying. So if you're going to have sustainable development and you want more infrastructure, then you need to this what Olencio said. It has to be some percentage has to be for the youth, and if you want this development, you should get good people from Goa and even like outside. Maybe a less percentage from outside, but it starts from there. Basically, get that much amount instead of cost cutting.
So
get
you mean to
quality
say
amount.
you need little bit more of skill enhancement.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Also if I could add,
Yeah.
employment exchange department पळय आसा तो department आसा for namesake. Employment exchange can be a source for employment generation for every youth across Goa. It's very simple strategy करपाची.
But right now the employment exchange is only used for government jobs.
No, government jobs, no, and also other jobs if I'm not mistaken. But
Okay.
वर्सान 5 वर्सान एक पाटी. But employment generation करपा जाय. What I'm saying is, why can't the employment exchange, facilitate youth to encourage them to go for startup, for entrepreneurial job, provide them interest-free loans. So this kind of resources is provided to. For example, I'm staying in Kasauli. Kasaulin कसलो धंदो म्हाका करपा जाता ते आयडियर एम्प्लॉयमेंट एक्सचेंजान म्हाका दिवपा जाय. तेणेन म्हाका मागीर इंटरेस्ट फ्री लोन म्हाका एनकरेज करपा जाय बिझनेस घेवपाक.
All right.
It also stops us from migrating from all over the world. See, we are migrating all over the world. We have a lot of talent. If today
Yes.
employment exchange encourage such thoughts, then even people across the world will come back to Goa to do development. I सगळे Indians गोंयान येता आणि गोंयकार आहा ते भायर वयता. सो पत्ते जाला. सो हे जावपाक एम्प्लॉयमेंट एक्सचेंज तो प्रोएक्टिव्ह जावपाक जाय. हो मेलोलो एम्प्लॉयमेंट एक्सचेंज आसा तो कांयच करना. सो हे चेंजीस होपफुली नव्या सरकारान केल्यार पुरो म्हणून मागता.
Okay. Ivo, your thoughts on this?
I think they have covered up everything under this topic.
Okay. So yes.
So yeah, like, I think we have covered almost all the questions.
Okay.
Yeah.
You've done we covered all the questions. Okay. Very good.
So like म्हाका सगळ्यांक आमच्या पॅनलिस्टांक काळजांतल्यान देव बरें करूं म्हणटा तुमकां. तुमी आयले, तुमचे व्ह्यूज शेअर केले. तशेंच आमचे मिडिया पार्टनर इन गोवा चॅनल त्यांनी आमचो खरोच आणखी एकदा गोंयचो युवा आवाज सगळ्या गोवा पर्यंत पावयलो. आणि आमचे नॉट फॉरगेटिंग अवर व्ह्युअर्स जणू की समज तेंच्यांनी क्वेश्चन विचारूंक नाशिल्ले जाल्यार ह्यो सेकंड एपिसोड पॉसिबल नाशिल्लो. सो हांव तांकां काळजांतल्यान देव बरें करूं म्हणटा. थँक्यू.
Yeah, and before I go off, a lot of great ideas have come across in this 1 hour. Once again, I thank all of you panelists for making time and sharing your thoughts with us. And I hope all the people who are actually tuned in and who will be watching this channel, maybe even later on, will be enlightened by those inspiring words. But before we go, I would once again like to remind all our viewers and people who are not yet on Yuva Awaz, log on, subscribe to the channel. 17th of July, we are doing a program called Income Opportunities During the Pandemic. And why that is important, and we have actually set the tone for that next program. And some of the views that you have shared is basically creating reservations in industrial estates. Let's become job creators. And infrastructure should be linked to the opportunities that our people, our youth would want to, undertake. So on that note, we see all of you once again on 17th of July on our program, Income Opportunities During the Pandemic. Thank you very much. Good evening. But before going, we are still in the pandemic. We still want you to remain safe. We still want you to wear your masks. We still want you to keep maintain social distance. Our lives are important. Your life is important. You are ours. Wants you to stay healthy and wants you to stay safe. Thank you very much.
Thank you.